Has Charles Hoskinson of Cardano announced a new date for the Vasil Hard Fork upgrade? Has Hoskinson told anyone the new information? The video will answer these questions after a while. Watch to find out the answer. You won't believe that Charles Hoskinson, who made Cardano ADA, is giving an update on the Ethereum competitor's blockchain's highly anticipated Vasil Hard Fork. Most people watching this video are interested in Cardano and might have heard the name of the founder, Cardano. The upgrade has already been pushed back twice, so you are worried about when it will happen. Cardano's developer IOG and Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, have kept the community up to date on bugs and the estimated delivery time. In a new video, the founder of Vasil said that it was likely that the hard fork would happen in September. Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel and greetings. Today's video will discuss whether Cardano ADA founder reveal a new date for Vasil Hard Fork. So be sure to stay focused. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has given more information about the long-awaited Vasil Hard Fork upgrade. The co-founder of IOHK has said that the next hard fork could come out as soon as September 2022. Hoskinson says that major cryptocurrency exchanges are working on the new Cardano hard fork and thinks more will follow. I will set a hard fork deadline once the biggest 3 to 5 Bitcoin exchanges have changed their infrastructure, Hoskinson said. In recent weeks, ADA has become a great way to protect yourself in case something goes wrong with the merge, and Cardano's upcoming upgrade could make ADA's price move even faster. Since no major bugs have been found in the most recent update, Hoskinson said that he thinks the upgrade will happen in September. The only thing that could ruin the plans would be finding another critical bug. Charles Hoskinson, who started Cardano and helped start Ethereum, talked about the date of the Vasil Hard Fork in a live stream on Friday morning. Cardano has been moving toward the Vasil Hard Fork for a few months. The price of ADA is likely to go up because of this expected rush. The digital asset already has support at 0.4, so this will be a place to start again. But based on how the market is right now, it's not likely that the price will reach $0.6. At the time of writing, 24 hours after the announcement, the price of Cardano has gone up 2.3% against the USD. ADA's price has increased by about 10% in the past week. With a market cap of $16 billion, ADA is now the 8th largest cryptocurrency. Hoskinson also said that Binance had already upgraded 30 to 40% of the total Cardano volume. Kraken and Coinbase were the next major exchanges to do so. The next big step is getting the exchanges on board. Binance says that they are in the process of upgrading. Experts think they make up about 30 to 40% of the volume of Cardano trades. Aside from that, Kraken, Coinbase, and other exchanges tend to follow suit, Hoskinson shared. Hoskinson also said that the team could say when the hard fork will happen once 75% of the SPOs have upgraded to the latest version, 1.35.3, and the top exchanges have done the same. As Ethereum's switch to proof-of-stake gets closer, crypto traders and investors are looking to Ethereum's competitors to protect their portfolios in case the market's high expectations are unmet. Usually when a hard fork date is announced, there is a big rush of people trying to get through. So a hard fork date will probably be set when 75% of the SPOs and 3 to 5 of the major exchanges by volume, the top 3 or 5, have upgraded and are in the process of upgrading. Then, the rest of the exchanges realize how important it is and start upgrading. If they don't, it's very hard to get them. They usually need a little prodding to do that, Hoskinson said. Cardano developer Input Output tweeted on Friday, "Vasil is the most important update to Cardano to date. It increases network capacity and lowers transaction costs. When people on a blockchain network decide to split the chain, this is called a hard fork. It can happen for many reasons and lead to 2 versions of the same network or protocol." Charles Hoskinson officially confirmed this yesterday. He had a short, brief stream, but there are some parts in there that individuals wanted to perform for you guys. Still, what was the big deal regarding the Vasil? It's heading to massively scale up the entire debate universe for agreements. The level of expressiveness has enhanced, but we've kept the same degree of safety and quality that individuals have become familiar with and admire in the Cardano ecosystem. There's more work to do, more steps to freedom, and a lot is coming up, especially in 2023. But most people think individuals will be content with what they have, and they can build a lot with what they have, like big upgrades, DEXs, stablecoins, and many other things. In Cardano land, more than 1,000 projects are being built now, so people are excited to see what you, the community, can do and what benefits you can bring. People are excited to see this ecosystem grow even more. IOG's official account on Twitter told people that they confirmed the Vasil upgrade date. The developer said the codebase merge will happen after all core components have been successfully finished and tested in depth. What's so amazing about that date is that it just so happens to fall on Bulgaria's Independence Day. IOG's founder Charles Hoskinson also talked about the date of the hard fork in a Twitter livestream called Vasil is Coming September 22, 2022. The name Vasil for the hard fork comes from a Bulgarian mathematician and member of the Cardano community who recently died. Cardano's Vasil Hard Fork is a big step towards scaling and growing the Ethereum competitor. It is also meant to make it easier for Web3 engineers to build decentralized applications on Cardano. IOHK said, the upgrade will also improve Plutus so that developers can make more powerful and efficient blockchain-based apps. Plutus is Cardano's smart contract development platform. The IOHK team had earlier given a Twitter update on the progress of the Vasil Hard Fork, saying that the network is in the process of adding the exchanges. Nearly 40% of SPOs have already been updated, according to IOHK. The thread also said that the cryptocurrency exchange Binance has already started to update its nodes in preparation for the upcoming fork. Cardano's hard fork, called Vasil, has now set a date. The merge is expected to happen in just over 10 days. The long-awaited Cardano fork will happen on September 22, about 9 days after Ethereum switches from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake. Charles Hoskinson, who created Cardano, says that Vasil is the hardest update we've ever had to do as an ecosystem. Hoskinson also talked about how much work the Vasil upgrade took, saying that many people who worked on it were overloaded. He said, it really showed that we need to build better systems and, better foundations to launch things of this size and scope. We kind of went a little too far with Vasil. This update was probably the hardest one we've ever had to make as an ecosystem. Once Hoskinson said it was strange that the date chosen randomly for the fork was the same day as Bulgaria's Independence Day. Cardano is getting 4 Cardano improvement proposals added to its codebase. When the Vasil Hard Fork was first announced at the beginning of the year, the price of ADA went up significantly. Back in July, the upgrade was supposed to happen at the end of the month. The gains were lost very quickly. But now that a more finalized timeline has been announced, the digital asset price will likely turn around. When a hard fork is so important, there is usually more interest in the digital asset. It was clear in June and September 2021 before smart contracts came out. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. First and foremost, what do you think of IOG and Charles Hoskinson's announcement of the launch date for the Vasil Hard Fork? Please participate and share your thoughts in the comments section below.